What's up, guys? Ethan. I'm doing my final screencast of our website that we had to create for our ELRC. Um, Up first, we have the biography. So we did this biography as a way to get to know our classmates and kind of just explain a little bit about yourself so everybody can get to know each other, especially with this being a online class. I think this was very useful to be able to get to know a little bit about all the people that were in our class together. I decided to use this picture from when I went to Yellowstone after my freshman year at LSU. So that's about 3 years ago now. But I thought it was a really good picture because I like to travel, and when I travel, I like to go like to nature places, do hikes, stuff like that. So this was taken in Yellowstone, which I really like. So I thought this was a good picture to use. In my bio, I kind of just talk about, being an LSU student, what me majoring in marketing, and then a little bit about my past, like growing up in New Orleans and going to Brother Martin High School, and then a little bit about what I do now. I currently work at a restaurant as a cook, which is good. So next up on the site, we have our resources page. On our resources page, we had to use Wakelet to create a list of resources, and I decided to do mine on managing stress because in college, because now that I'm finished college, managing stress was a very big part of getting through college and being able to finish because there's a lot of work that you got to do, and you're kind of on your own for the first time. So I put a bunch of links here to a podcast you could listen to and a couple of different websites with tricks that you could use to manage stress, especially in college. Um, Next up, we have the personal choice. So this still relates to that. I picked two YouTube videos that I thought to be very useful for stress and anxiety relief, different breathing exercises you can do to kind of calm you down and help you focus. And then this is just another video on how to reduce stress with some more breathing techniques, which are actually very useful. After this, we have our blog posts. So over the semester, we had to do a couple different blog posts. This first one right here was the Wakelet blog post, where I just talked, about my experience with Wakelet and how Wakelet can be used in the classroom setting. And we had to create, this also was good for helping you learn how to create a blog and just like, customize a blog, make it look nice and everything. So then up next, we have our technology projects. First one would be the digital story. For digital story, I made mine on endangered species and what we can do to help protect them and kind of prevent more species from going extinct. And I just kind of listed a lot of different resources and places that you could like donate to that are good resources. After that, we had the mobile app. For my mobile app, I chose Adobe Spark. I like Adobe Spark. I think it's a very useful app, and I think it's very useful for both just personal use if you want to like create content on social media and also in the classroom. I can scroll through my slideshow a little bit, just where I talk about Adobe Spark. You can use it on iOS or Androids, Windows, anything like that. Like I said, it's good for personal use and in the classroom. And I also included a video at the end of how to use that. We have the PLN/PLE page. So first, we kind of just talked about what it is, what the definition of PLN and PLE. And I put some little learning tools on the side. So then after that, kind of broke down all these different things. And then lastly, we have what I'm doing right now, the screencast, which I think I've done pretty good. Yeah, so I really enjoyed this class. I definitely learned a lot in this class. The all the resources that I've had to use with this class, I think I will definitely use in the future, especially being a marketing major. I'm definitely going to be giving presentations a lot and using a lot of these websites and resources. I think are going to be very useful and good for me. And yeah, that's about it. Have a good rest of the summer.